standing on the promises of Christ my King. Through eternal ages let his praises ring. Glory in the highest I will shout and sing, standing on the promises of God. Standing, standing, standing on the promises.
Una, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when you listen to me from today. My name now Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for preaching. The Open Heavens devotional on a daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Thursday, 21st November 2024. And our topic today na Rapture Day Real. You could see our memory verse from Matthew chapter 24 verse 38. For Noah time, before the flood come, people they chop and they drink. They marry and they give their pikin out for marriage, until the day when Noah entered the ark. Our Bible reading day for 1 Thessalonians chapter 4 verse 13 to 17. Our brothers and sisters, we want make una know the truth about those people wey don die, so that una no go dey sad like people wey no get hope. Since we believe say Jesus die and he wake up, na so too we believe say those wey be Christian before they die, God go raise them up. Because wetin we dey teach una now na wetin Christ teach, say we wey dey alive when Jesus go come no go follow am go come leave those wey don die, because all of us go go with am. God big angel go shout the command as Christ dey come down for heaven. The angel voice go dey loud with God's trumpet, and those wey be Christian before they die go first go up. God go carry we wey remain for this world go meet them for sky. Then all of us go meet Christ for heaven. Now the message. As we see am for our Bible reading today, rapture na when those wey don die for Christ go just disappear go up with all the Christians wey still dey alive go meet Jesus Christ, come spend eternity with am. Many people dey feel say rapture no dey real because e don tey wey dem don hear about am and e never still happen. Wetin anybody dey think about rapture, whether e dey real or e no dey real, no matter o. E go pay you to study God's word and believe only wetin God talk about am. Bible talk say that day go come like thief for night, and you must dey prepared if you no wan remain for this earth when rapture happen. One major characteristics of all the ogbonge prophecies for Bible be say dem dey always sound unbelievable when dem dey talk them. When Isaiah prophesy say virgin go born pikin for Isaiah chapter 7 verse 14, that kind thing no make sense. All that time plenty people fit don dey watch to see whether true virgin go born pikin. No be until centuries later when Mary come born Jesus Christ. Whether the people believe prophet Isaiah or not, God's word still come to pass. For Bible, e get plenty prophecies wey look impossible, but they don happen. If Bible dey correct, you go dey wise to believe say e dey absolutely right about rapture. When Noah announce give everybody say flood dey come destroy the whole earth, dem laugh am. Na so e start to dey build the ark. Dem even come dey laugh am more. After many years don waka and the flood no come, just before he and his family enter the ark, the people still dey jollificate, dey drink like every other day. But after 3 days, all of them drown inside the flood. Today, many people dey live their life anyhow. Then they ignore the reality of rapture. But Bible talk for 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 52 say rapture go happen suddenly. Na only those people wey dey prepare for am go dey safe, while the rest dem go remain for this earth to suffer. One thing I know for sure be say the day wey rapture go happen, e go do many people like film trick. Many people wey hear about rapture but no believe and they say they live their life anyhow and they no prepare for am by giving their life to Jesus Christ, come live holy, all of them go regret well o. But unfortunately, by that time e go don dey too late for them, because rapture go only happen once. My brethren, you don prepare for rapture so? The main point for today's message be say rapture go surely happen. Dey wise and dey prepared. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.